Okay, welcome back to the channel. I'm just doing a quick voiceover to introduce this video. Basically, I'm going to go down to the beach. You'll join me on the beach in a few seconds, and I'm going to try and get a minimalist black and white image on a cold and grey day. Let's see how well I did. Hello again and welcome back. I'm actually on the beach down at, this is Broadstairs. I think it's Broadstairs, just between Margate and Ramsgate. We've got some nice cliffs, we've got some nice clouds. I'm looking for something minimalist to actually try and get a nice black and white image of, hopefully. So let's go and see what we can see. Okay, I hope you can hear me all right. The wind's blowing a bit, so it might actually come out not very well. I've come down to the sea edge here. The tide's out at the moment, it's low tide. And what I'm doing is lining a shot up, which I'll show you in a second, which is going to be quite minimal. There's people milling about, so it's not very easy to do this out here. But I'm stood on these pieces of old chalk that's been effectively worn down by the sea, and there's a little rock pool to my left in front of the camera, which I'm just going to shoot across that towards the distant horizon. The sky's quite an interesting sort of nice fluffy sort of series of clouds, so hopefully the sky should be interesting. Let's get on with it, we'll see. Well, as you can see, I've got the camera set up on a tripod here. It's a bit rocky here, it's not too bad, but it's pretty stable, and the shot I'm going for pretty much is what you can see on the back of the camera now. So that's 20 seconds at f9.5. It's a relatively long exposure because I've got a 6-stop ND on there, and hopefully that'll move out or smooth out the sea. So let's see if it works. Let's take the shot and see how it comes out. "20 seconds at f9. Yep, that should work, I hope. The waves aren't very exciting, so as long as the sea's flattened out, just becomes a mirror or a smooth surface, I think we'll get the desired effect. Let's wait 20 seconds and see. Okay, so this is the image that came straight from the camera. It's converted to black and white in portrait orientation. Having looked at it in Lightroom, I actually preferred the second image, which is just about to appear, which is a very tight cropping on the original image, and I just think it's a far simpler and cleaner image all round. These images are just a couple of other images that I got on the beach at the same time. They're nothing special, quite pretty, but they're not particularly strong images. This was a long exposure from the sand dunes with the cliffs framing the picture on the right hand side, which I think is quite nice. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video, and please remember to click the like, thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe if you like the content moving forwards. Thanks very much, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.